Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add Tonkeeper to TapSwap. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the Play Store or App Store. Also make sure that you have Telegram app installed on your phone. After you download the app, open the Tonkeeper app. Now set up your account in this app. Next up, go to Telegram. After you are in the Telegram, here you can see the search bar at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now search for TapSwap. You will see the TapSwap bot at the top of the list. Tap on it. After that, you can select this Start Now option. TapSwap would load in your Telegram. Once you are here you can see the Connect Wallet option over here. Tap on it. You can connect your wallet from here. In order to add Tonkeeper, here you can select Tonkeeper from the list. Tap on it. Now it will ask you if you really want to add Tonkeeper to TapSwap. Select this option, Connect Wallet. And there you go, your Tonkeeper account is connected to TapSwap. If you start it again, here you can see your Tonkeeper wallet address connected to TapSwap. So that's it. That's how you can add Tonkeeper to TapSwap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.